Ladies and gentlemen, today is like an exciting day for us because we'll be talking to somebody na matunog yung pangalan at saka siyempre yung kanyang personality. So, Mrs. K,
Tara,
let's talk! Tara!
let's talk.
Tara!
Let's talk.
Pag sinabi mo tong pangalan na to sa Pilipinas, it comes with beauty kaagad ang katunog. Today, we will talk about health. Kasi, yung beauty talaga kasi, it comes within. So, sisimulan natin about health. Huwag na po nating patagalin. We have Miss...
Crystal Bello in the house!
Hello guys, how are you?
All good, all good. Wow naman.
We are so happy to have you here on our podcast.
Yeah, so nice to connect with you guys all the way from Ireland, tama?
Yes, in Ireland. Indeed.
This is the oldest city in Ireland.
Oh,
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Am I right? Yes.
The oldest city in
haven't
Ireland.
been.
We would love to have and tour you here in Ireland.
Okay, sige, soon hopefully if the team is big na.
Yes, we will. We will make it.
Wanted to introduce myself to everyone. Sa mga Pilipino dyan na hindi po pa ako kilala, madaming nakakakilala po kay Dr. Bello. But a lot of people think na isa lang ang anak niya, si Scarlett Snow Bello. Medyo nagugulat sila na, ay, meron din palang anak si Dr. Bello na ibang babae. And by the way, 42 years old na ako. So, I am the daughter of Dr. Bello, and I am the one who created Bello Essentials together with my mom. So, kung nakarating na sa inyo yung mga products namin, Bello Essentials, Bello Sun Expert, mga ganyan, then definitely, yan yung baby ko. Yan yung first baby ko, which I set up in 2007 together with my mom. So since then, I have become a multi-passionate entrepreneur, and I am doing this other wellness business because I realized that yung passion ko, hindi lang beauty. It's 360 degrees. Yeah. So it's very holistic ang experience. You know, you can't just think and be obsessed about being beautiful, because being healthy is also part of it. So that's how I started getting into this particular business, which is tawag namin is Feel Great. And then another business that I do is wine with my husband. So my husband's Australian and he comes from Adelaide, which is the parang Napa Valley of Australia. So it's a wine region, or Bordeaux, since taga-Europe kayo. Madaming nakakilala sa Bordeaux, diba? So it's the Bordeaux of Australia. So ang tawag nila is Adelaide. Dami nilang wine doon. So we thought of, why don't we bring the best Australian wine into the Philippines at a very affordable price para naman ma-enjoy din ng mga Pilipino. So yeah, a lot of my businesses are actually Philippine-based. So like the Bello Essentials and the wine, which we call Hearts and Vines. Yung Hearts and Vines is available in mga SNR stores nationwide. Yung Bello Essentials naman, lahat. So Watsons, Mercury, SM, Robinsons, makikita niyo siya sa lahat. And even online, Shopee, Lazada. Now, ang pagka-global ko, kasi na-realize ko, ay, parang wala akong business na global ang scope. And so I realized, well, unang-una, I had a difficult time. So I was in Australia for 2 years. Pag-uwi ko, I was very much overweight. So I was 187 pounds. And I really had a difficult time post-second baby, losing the weight. So, I started looking for a product that was all natural. And I stumbled upon this business, which we call Feel Great. And what I love about it, it's not just local. So it's available in 60 countries worldwide. And that's why nandito din ako sa podcast ninyo para ma-share natin sa mga audience ng Mr. and Mrs. K ang mga amazing transformative products na ito, kasi madaming lives ang natutulungan ng mga wellness products na ito. So that's something that, you know, that we want to share with all of you. Tama?
Tama.
Yes.
Oo. Now, me and Laura, we're the biggest proponent of intermittent fasting kasi. And we've been doing fasting since 2019, isn't it?
Yes, before pandemic.
Yeah. And then what we were doing during those times, obviously, we were encouraging people, yung mga friends namin, yung mga kakilala namin, yung mga workmates, basically, to do fasting because it's the health benefits that you can get out of it is like, amazing. But what's the difficulty that we're encountering sa mga tao na ini-encourage natin?
I've always been skinny. Na I'm blessed. Na even after 3 children, okay pa din talaga yung yes, I'm built like this, and people will ask me, "Oh Laura, bakit ganyan ka pa din? Is it because of your genes?" And I would tell them, "You know what? I think since I turned 40, it's been difficult na din to maintain my weight. I actually gain weight na." And then I said to them, "I'm doing intermittent fasting since 2019." And I would encourage them and I would tell them na, "Oh, you know what? This is intermittent fasting. This is the benefits of it." And they would say, "Oh, hindi ko kaya yan. Magugutom ako. May hilo ako." That's always the reaction. And then, when we met the girls,
The team, basically.
the team, and we had a chat on our podcast, and we were like, "Ting, this is it. This is the..."
Yeah. So when
Solution.
we had
It's the
the
solution.
story,
Yeah, while they were talking about it, in my head and Mrs. K said, we were kind of thinking, oh my God, this is the missing link. Diba? The problem with a lot of Filipinos, aminin na natin, diba? They love food, they love yung
We love food.
Yes.
rice is life.
Rice is life. Yes.
Correct. Di ba?
From A to B, medyo nahihirapan yung mga tao talaga mag-cross. Kasi, siyempre, yun ang fasting period din. So, ang nangyayari lang dun sa mga tao na yun, parang they always say, oh, it's so hard. After 2 hours, they will be eating again. Kaya talagang ang hirap ma-encourage ng tao na mag-intermittent fasting dahil doon. But then when we found out about this
Product.
system, oh my God, we were so excited, like, oh my God, come on now. And then, this is it, like.
Diba?
So,
Yeah, I feel you. Madaming hindi nakakaalam how strong our body is, how our body can heal itself. And our body can heal itself. Our natural products can actually heal us. Dito sa Pilipinas, mabilis magbigay ang mga doktor ng mga antibiotics. And so it's like, people don't need to take that much medication. I feel that I strongly believe about microbiome, gut health, and that's why I'm sure that's something you resonated also with you.
Yeah.
So when I found these products, sa totoo lang ha, I was 187 pounds pagbalik ko sa Australia. 2 years ako dun. And I was struggling with cravings. I couldn't shut off the food noise. I'm constantly eating. I'm constantly craving. Plus, on top of that, I had PCOS. So, dahil sa polycystic ovarian syndrome, parang I was predisposed to type 2 diabetes. So, I was also taking metformin. So, initially, when I got back to Manila, sabi ni Mami, parang hindi ka belo, magtago ka muna, ang taba-taba mo. Mag-Ozempic ka. Basically, I started taking Ozempic and I started feeling the side effects. Unpleasant side effects. And when I started researching and reading a little bit more about it, I was like, oh, I don't think I can do this sustainably for a long time. And it can be a quick start for me, pero ayokong nakaganito ako forever. So I was on a lookout. Like, I was on high alert. Meron bang natural products that is sustainable that can help me with my cravings and shut off the food noise? And that's when I found these products. Na-share siya sa akin ng friend ko from the US. And basically, the way it worked is I started using the products. I started losing weight. I went from 187 to 140 in 1 year. So 40, technically, I only tell people like 35, 40 pounds. But sa totoo lang, it's like almost 50 pounds in 1 year. And then people started noticing that I was looking really good. And they're asking, what are you taking? Kasi lahat ng friends ko addict sa pagpapayat. And so I was like, oh, taking these natural products. I realized that it was very easy to share. Saan nabibiling natural products? Oh, I'm a reseller actually. You can buy from me. So ito yung link ko para may discount ka. I-send ko na sa'yo. That's it. That's how it started. And then my friends started feeling the positive effects. And then na-notice na mga friends nila ang mga effects sa kanila. Nagtatanong din saan pwede bumili. So yung mga friends ko bumalik sa akin, paano ba maging reseller? Kasi madami na nagtatanong sa akin. So that's how I kind of started the business. I wasn't really thinking of doing it as a business. I was in it to be a customer. But the products are so good. And I realized so many people are struggling with their health. And even struggling with overeating, struggling with intermittent fasting. So it just started that way. And I started teaching other people how to do it as a side hustle. And that's how the team started growing. Now, we have like over 1,000 distributors from all around the world, including you guys. So I've never been to Ireland. I've never really met you in person. But here we are. We're teammates. We're partners, right? So that's when I realized the power of this business. Number one, the products are amazing. Number two, because the company behind it, they're very global. They can send and deliver to around 60 countries all over the world. And they're Filipinos all over the world. So why not tulungan natin ang mga Pilipino from different parts of the world? Pagdating sa health nila, unang-una. Pangalawa, pagdating sa earning extra income in their life. So why not?
Kaya naman nakaka-excite talaga.
I think it's very timely na ngayon, bago pa lang itong company sa Ireland, kumbaga yung ating team. Ito kasi mga Filipinos na nandito sa Ireland ngayon, when they arrived around like 20-ish years ago, mga bata pa. But then now, these days, mayat maya, there are Filipinos complaining or even like posting their photos na nasa hospital. So parang they're aging eh. Yung mga Filipinos are aging now. Huwag sanang umabot dun sa, ano bang tawag nito?
Yung malala na.
Malala na talaga siya. So, eto guys, yung time na, eto na talaga, this is the moment that we all have to look after each other's health.
And kung mapapansin mo, from early as 30 years old, nagkakasakit na, may mga maintenance medication na, which is hindi dapat, di ba?
Meron pa akong kilalang mga 18 years old, mataas ng sugar. Alam mo yun, it's just really the diet and the lifestyle right now.
Yes,
No, so
products na to. Sorry. You go ahead.
Another thing I learned in this business is managing of insulin spike. And alam nyo ito kasi mga taga-medical field kayo, but as someone who's not in the medical field, I didn't know how important it was. Now, alam mo ba, na-misdiagnose ako having hypothyroid because after I eat lunch, sobrang antok-antok ako palagi, always. I like my whole college life ganon, my whole, 20 years old ganon. And my mom's like, parang may hypothyroid ka kasi sobrang sluggish mo. So, chine-check naman namin yung TSH ko. Normal. But my mom's like, I don't believe it kasi you're so sluggish always. So, sabi niya, itong mag-take ka ng mga hypothyroid meds. Ganyan. Now, looking back, I realized it's because of insulin spike. Because I eat a lot of rice and then my insulin spikes. And as it spikes, may katapat na crash. Right?
Yes.
And that's why you feel so sluggish. And pag nagka-crash ako, there was a time, finally, I would have a pack of sugar in my wallet. When I feel like I'm crashing, I go like that with the sugar. Para, I'm back, guys. Gising na naman ako. Not realizing the impact of that on my blood sugar, on my insulin resistance, right? And so that's another thing that I was able to unpack and learn through this business. That longevity and graceful aging comes from really managing your insulin spikes. Because as your insulin goes on a roller coaster, pataas, pababa, your body tends to hold on to fat. by controlling all those spikes, we keep our body on fat burning mode, right? And so our body's more efficient. We feel like we have more energy, right? We're no longer sluggish. And yun lang pala. It's about controlling the insulin spike. And that's why, diba, 5 years ago, metformin was being known as the anti-aging drug. And the reason why is because metformin controls your spike. So I'm just like, these products can be the anti-aging products, all natural. They control your spikes. And so many of our distributors, sa totoo lang, look so much younger than when they started a year ago. Their skin is better. It's less oily. They have more energy, vitality. They're thriving. And it's really because it's a side effect, right? Ang inuna natin, focus tayo sa gut health. Is na yun, tawag nila sa gut, is the second brain. Focus tayo sa gut health. And as we fix that, lahat ng mga chronic disease natin, high cholesterol, diabetes, hypertension, maaayos. Pati mga migraine, naaayos. Mas nagiging hindi na tayo bloated and inflamed. Kasi may anti-inflammatory benefits yung drink na iniinom natin. Diba? So, sorry, medyo excited pa rin talaga ako sa drinks na.
Yeah.
Talagang, I love it talaga. So, sinishare ko.
Just like us, di ba parang
talagang sabi na, oh, we're so pumped with this system. Talagang mahirap kasi mag-promote ng product na wala sa puso mo eh.
Something that you don't believe, no?
Yeah, na ganun.
And when we talk about intermittent fasting, siya talaga yung, he could talk about it for the whole day.
Yeah.
Because I'm sure you can talk about autophagy and all these things, right? How your body heals itself, ketones.
Yeah. Ano kasi yun, just to throw it in there.
If you have high insulin level and then high glucose level, this will result in inflammation. And inflammation, guys, is synonymous to aging. Kasi the more we are inflamed, the more we age rapidly. And then, by the way, Crystal, Mrs. K, Laura, she's actually making her own kombucha. We have our own kombucha here in the house. Yeah, and then we have kimchi.
I make my own kimchi. I bake my own sourdough.
Ang galing mo, para sa probiotics, no?
Yes.
If only I can kimchi and sauerkraut. Meron din ba?
Sauerkraut. I think it's from the other country, Germany. I think ang sauerkraut. Yeah. We're really into healthy living, healthy lifestyle. Kaya nakakatuwa na nung nalaman namin tong product, wow, eto na talaga para mas makatulong pa kami sa mga iba nating kababayan.
Yun.
Kaya nakakatuwa sa inyo is parang you come from the medical field, which normally pharma, yung mga drugs na gusto nyong gawin is more pharma-based. So nakakatuwa because you're seeking natural ways to be healthier.
True.
Nurses, that's
So now that you said that, right? Parang pwede kasing ibalik din kay Crystal, 'di ba? Because her mom is into parang diretsong machines and then all this obviously you'll be fixed quickly.
But then
all these things, right? But for Crystal, she went the opposite way, like a 360. So what made you decide into ganon ang approach?
180. Pag 360 kasi babalik ka lang.
Sorry, 180. Sorry. Okay. 180.
I feel that there is space for everything. I won't lie, nagpalipo na ako sa arms, nagpalipo na rin ako sa waist, I really also do the bellow procedures. But what I saw clearly with this is the sustainability. Because yes quick fix ang lipo, quick fix ang Ozempic. Sustainable ba? Question mark. Kaya nga ako nagpalipo ng arms. Kasi una nilipo ko yung tummy ko. Biglang pumunta ata ako sa Spain, uminom ako ng mga milk na may condensada with churros, blah, 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 hot chocolate with condensed milk. Kala ko pag liposuction, eat all you can na. Not realizing na pag kumain ka pala, bumalik yung old habits mo, hindi na siya babalik kung saan ka naglipo eh. So, kunyari, naglipo ka na sa abdomen, hindi na siya babalik doon. Kasi nawala na yung bahay nila, wala nang fat cells doon. So, hahanap sila ng ibang area. Which for me, pumunta siya sa arms. And then I went back to my mom, Mommy, last na. Mag-change na talaga ako ng healthy habits ko. So, palay pa naman ng arms. So, at least, diba, ang ganda-ganda ng arms. So, yeah, so I understand that it's really, it boosts your confidence. It gives you a quick fix. But there's space in the market for something else. And personally, my challenge was, I did my lipo, but I couldn't still shut off the cravings and the food noise. That one for me. Matakaw lang talaga ako bilang tao. At saka sarap kumain.
Masarap. Masarap.
Talaga.
Especially when you're traveling. So, syempre, you want to try their food. So, kasali talaga yon.
And I realized that all these companies that sell fast food and unhealthy food, naintindihan na nila paano tayo gutumin.
Yeah.
They know how to make us salivate. They know how to make us crave. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa mall, naaamoy mo na si Cinnabon. Diba? Tapos, the more you eat potato corner, the more you want potato corner. Parang tuloy-tuloy na, alam na nila how to make it that way. So, talo talaga tayo bilang normal, regular citizens and people. Wala tayong laban. Syempre, these are large corporations against us. And they want more of our money. So they find ways to constantly come back, crave for it, right? So, talo talaga tayo. So, I feel like itong mga produkto, ito na ang solusyon to help us with that battle. O, diba? At least, ito na yung armor natin. Diba? We can walk in the mall and look at food and not want it.
Tama yun. Correct. And then, good thing about this kasi, itong product na we're consuming is that yung mga caffeine addicts dyan, they won't be missing it out.
Has natural caffeine in its leaves,
yes,
like matcha. Diba? So our main ingredient is actually yerba mate, which is well known in places like Argentina, sa mga South America. And so it is it's their national drink. But what this company has done is we have made yerba mate to be a little bit more yummy than the usual leaves. Nasarap ako with this yerba mate. First thing in the morning when I wake up, hinahanap ko siya. It gives me clean energy. It gives me mental clarity, focus. And best part is it cuts my appetite. So, yan yung sinasabi nyo. Usually, pag nag-intermittent fast ako on my own, walang yerba mate, by 10 o'clock, niisip ko na, ano kaya ila-lunch ko? Right? So, pagdating sa lunch, oh my God, kahit nag-intermittent fasting ka, wala rin. Kasi, you know, like, lamon ka talaga. Binawi, gutom. And then, may 8-hour window to eat. Oh my God, para akong cow. Nag-grazing lang ako buong 8 hours ay something. Kasi anyway, nagpa-fasting naman ako ng 16 hours. So, I'm sure okay lang to eat anything all 8 hours, diba? So, that's what I love about the Feel Great system. Unang-una, the yerba mate is very concentrated, but it tastes good. And it doesn't spike your sugar. So, it does not break your fast because it's less than 15 calories. Pangalawa, bago ka mag-break ng fast, there's another drink, right? The fiber drink. And it's not just one kind of fiber like psyllium. It has 7 different soluble and insoluble fibers. So sa mga Pilipino dyan, yung hindi nakakaalam, what's the difference? A soluble fiber is something that's absorbed by your body. It gives your body the nutrients and minerals that it needs. The insoluble fiber is like parang scrub. Parang dumadaan lang siya sa intestines mo. Lahat ng extra carbs, extra cholesterol, para sa uric acid, diba? Gout, diba? Lahat ng extra uric acid, kinukuha niya, nilalabas niya sa katawan mo. So, very healthy yung pagpunta mo sa banyo, by the way. But hindi siya yung masakit sa tiyan or anything. Natural lang, diba? So that's what I like. The fiber also helps me kasi bago lumamon, I drink the fiber first. So yung fiber na ito, nag-expand siya sa tiyan mo. Konting kain mo lang, busog ka na. It will get you full faster and it will keep you full longer. So hindi yung tipong after lunch, kaka-lunch mo lang ng 12, 2 o'clock, naghahanap ka na naman ng pwedeng kainin. Hindi. Kasi mabigat siya sa tiyan. Hindi ka gugutumin. Siguro mga 4 o'clock, pwede ka mag-something, but choose healthy things like nuts, something protein, fat, ganyan. Pangtawid lang till dinner. And then you eat a healthy dinner, and then you start your fast at 8 o'clock, and you start eating again 12 o'clock the next day. So basically, tatlo lang yung practically meal. So lunch, big lunch, a small snack, and a big dinner. So hindi ibig sabihin na mag-intermittent fasting kayo na kakain kayo ng all 8 hours. Every hour kumakain kayo. Yan yung sa head ko noon. So hindi ganon. And the products will naturally help you have walang gana. Sobrang amazing siya. Actually, personally, I take yerba mate in the morning, bago mag-lunch fiber. After lunch, nag-yerba mate ulit ako para makat ulit yung cravings. And then, before dinner, isa pang fiber. Now, kung malaki yung snack ko, if my snack is cinnamon or potato corner, umiinom ulit ako ng fiber. And people are asking, safe ba yung products na yan? Guys, it's patented. In the Philippines, it's FDA approved. You know, like, it's in the physician's desk reference, which is, you know, it's the book that doctors refer to kung anong pwedeng bigay sa'yo, kung mataas cholesterol mo and stuff like that.
If people are interested in doing this business and then they're not business people, is it hard or is it easy to get in?
It is super duper easy to get in because our partner has offices or parang they have access to 60 countries all over the world. So, unang-una, may support ka na. They provide you with the best products that are patented and that work. And, you know, these products are backed up by science. Na-study na siya ng University of Sydney, Cleveland Clinic, the likes of Dr. Ben Bickman. So, it is really well researched. And I think for me, kasi mataas yung standards ko sa Belo, when I saw that these products are of the same standard, hindi na ako nag-think twice. Hindi na ako nagdalawang isip. Kasi sabi ko, bakit pa ako gagawa ng sarili ko? Eh ito, sobrang well-researched na siya. So number 1 yun, Unicity, nandyan yung support ni Unicity. They have offices around the world and they have the best products for you. They handle all the hard stuff. Lahat ng back-end namin. So lahat ng delivery, FDA, customs, customer service, sila na lahat. All we have to do is connect people to the products. All we have to do is share our personal experience, which is most often than not a very pleasant experience. So, madali siyang gawin kasi hindi ako naka-hard sell sa tao. I'm literally just sharing and excited ako to share kung ano yung na-feel ko, ano yung naramdaman ko, ano yung naging experience ko incorporating these products into my lifestyle. Kasi sa totoo lang, it is not that type of product na incorporate mo yung feel great sa buhay mo tapos madaming restrictions. Hindi siya ganun. It's like incorporate feel great into your life and automatically it makes you less hungry, right? Because it increases your GLP-1. It fills you, the fiber fills you up. So naturally, mapapait less ka talaga just because you drink this drink before you eat a meal. So yun, the products are really good and the company support is very strong. And as distributors, tingnan mo guys, meron akong Belo, meron akong Hearts and Vines, which is our wine business. Meron pa akong Feel Great. Ito talaga side hustle lang talaga to. But sa totoo lang, it's making, it's a big, big project because nga I'm able to reach Filipinos all around the world. So usually, how much time do I put in this business? Siguro I would say mga 6 to 7 hours a week. Hindi man lang a day. Sobrang side hustle lang talaga siya. But it is very fulfilling kasi madami akong natutulungan na tao with their health. normalize their cholesterol, normalize their, reverse their diabetes, diba? Lessen their hypertension meds, ganyan. So madami akong natutulungan with their health. Plus, madami din akong natutulungan na people that want extra income in their life. Very easy, we grow over Zoom. It's not hard at all. So that's that. And then pangalawa, meron kaming business as a team. Meron tayong culture at meron din tayong parang business tools na tuturuan namin sa mga bagong distributors that they can access and use to build their team. So, there's no need to start from scratch, gumawa ng bagong proseso, wala. Kasi we'll teach you na, ito na yung presentation, this is how to share it, yan. And the team is very, very active. Sinasabi ko nga pag pumapasok ka sa business na to, hindi siya lonely. Kasi pagpasok mo sa business, ang daming mag-guide sa'yo, ang daming magtuturo sa'yo. So, masaya siya actually. And so, I wanted to also congratulate you, Mr. and Mrs. K. Thank you so much for trusting this project because we're really hoping to open and reach more people, not just in the Philippines, but internationally. So welcome to the team. And I'm also excited for you to start sharing all your health benefits with the people that you care about, sa mga followers niyo, sa mga listeners ninyo, at sa community niyo dyan sa Ireland.
Wow, thank you very much. That was a fantabulous talk with Crystal Bello. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa time niya, di ba, Mrs. K?
Yes, thank you talaga. We really appreciate your time for us. And kaya sa ating mga manonood,
alam nyo na guys kung sino yung kokontakin. At siyempre, tara!
let's talk!
Tara!
Let's talk!
Tara!
Let's talk!